In today's lecture, we will be discussing the punctuation mark, which is known as colon. Colon is one of the easiest forms of punctuation. Okay, why? Because its basic function. Why do we use it? We use it so that we can introduce words, we can introduce lists, phrases, salutations. We can also introduce characters. Like if we are writing a play, अगर हम कोई प्ले लिखते हैं तो उसमें जो कैरेक्टर है हम उसको इंट्रोड्यूस, उसके डायलॉग को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए भी हम कोलन्स इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. They can be used to provide additional details and explanations. Now, there are some rules which we follow while using colons. Rule number one, a colon gives emphasis to a statement. Okay, so while we are using it, it is important that we remember कि हम जिस चीज के लिए, जिस सेंटेंस के लिए कोलन इस्तेमाल करने जा रहे हैं, कोलन उस सेंटेंस को इंपॉर्टेंस देगा. It may, a reader pays attention to what is coming next. Now look at this example over here. Monica has only one thing on her mind. Now the question is, what is the one thing, what is the one thing that Monica has on her mind? So we put a colon here. So now as a reader, you know कि अब इसके बाद जो है आपको आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल जाएगा कि what does Monica have on her mind? Her child. Okay, so this is how you use it. This is what they look like. They're like two dots with a bit of space in them. They are drawn one over the other and they are used to introduce an important point in a sentence. They can introduce a list. किसी सवाल का जवाब भी हो सकता है, like that. Number two, they are used after the salutation. We learned in letter writing that salutation means dear sir, dear madam. So when in a business, when we are writing a formal letter, we can use this. Dear sir, dear madam, and then a colon, right? So this makes the reader, अगर कोई sir या madam letter पढ़ रहे हैं, so they know that this punctuation mark is here, meaning अब इसके बाद the main topic is about to start. Okay, the letter, whatever the person has written the letter about, will begin from here now. Rule number three, they are used to provide additional details and explanations. For example, she had many reasons to read for a Bachelor of Engineering. ठीक है, अब सवाल जब the sentence is that this girl, she has many reasons to study Bachelors of Engineering. Now to introduce those reasons, अब उन reasons को introduce करने के लिए we put a colon here. Before we start writing the reasons, we have put a colon here so that now we know that we are now about to introduce those reasons. For example, to get additional qualifications, to get a good job, and to improve her knowledge. They can also be used to introduce lists or ideas. For example, now you have a list here. I have visited many countries. बहुत सारी countries visit की हैं. So to introduce them, you can use a colon. Australia, Thailand, France, and Germany. Ideas को introduce करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. For example, Aditya is successful in life because of one good quality. What is the good quality? That he is hardworking. To introduce a quotation, if somebody has spoken a dialogue which is in these quotation marks, to introduce this also we can use a colon. We can also use a colon to introduce the dialogue. For example, she announced to her friends. Now a dialogue is coming. What is she announcing? Inverted commas में आप लिखेंगे और उससे पहले you will use a colon. I will be going abroad. Now there are some tips for using colons. कुछ tips हैं, if you make sure of them, you will never use the colon wrong. The first one is do not use a colon after a verb. किसी भी verb के बाद कभी भी colons को use नहीं करते. Number two, do not keep a space before a colon. Now if you look at this one here, announced is the verb. हमने इसके बाद कोलन नहीं यूज किया बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट राइट. शी अनाउंस्ड टू होम, किसी को तो अनाउंस किया है ना, सो यू विल मेंशन दैट. आप कभी भी वर्ब के बाद कोलन इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. नंबर टू, यू विल नॉट डू नॉट लीव अ स्पेस बिफोर कोलन. नाउ सी एस और कोलन के बीच में कहीं स्पेस नहीं है, right? So you will not leave a space between the word and the colon. Before the colon, there will be no space, but you will leave some space after the colon. ठीक है, colon से पहले कोई space नहीं छोड़ते, but you leave some space after you use the colon, right? And that right here is our lecture for okay, sorry. Now there is one more slide here. This is the correct and incorrect use of colon. Now look, this is the first one. My favorite foods are. अब इस सेंटेंस में यू डोंट नीड टू यूज अ कोलन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कोलन गलत इस्तेमाल हुआ है. आप यहाँ पर कोलन इस्तेमाल नहीं भी करेंगे तो भी चल जाएगा. बट लुक, उसी का क्या करेक्ट वे है. आई हैव 3 फेवरेट फूड्स. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग माय फेवरेट फूड्स आर डैश 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 एटसेट्रा, हम यहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस को थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक बना सकते हैं. आई हैव 3 फेवरेट फूड्स colon space rice, noodles and pasta. My favorite countries are the United. अब यहाँ पर भी अगेन कोलन लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको कोलन लगाना है आप लिस्ट में अपनी नंबर स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये आर नहीं लगेगा. So to change that, आप अपने जो है you can add a number. For example, instead of saying my favorite subjects are and then use a colon to make a list, you can write my two favorite I have 2 favorite subjects, colon dash and dash, right? So this is how you use it. And that right here is our lecture for today.